Welcome back. Now let's go straight into our objective by trying to perform all these tasks. Downloading and installing, signing up, signing in, creating new files, selecting the right frame, compositing and designing, creating more frames, prototyping and playing, also called previewing. Now we are going to go straight into our browser to perform this task to download. If you go to your browser, type Figma download on your Google. The link for downloading Figma will come up. You see figma.com, then you see downloads. Click that, then it will redirect you to the download page. This is a live program, so I'm going to wait till the load time. You see, I told you that it's of different platforms. We have for Mac OS, Windows, we have Figma for iOS, for Android, for Mac OS, and all those. But we are going to go for Windows, desktop app for Windows. So we are going to click this because we want a Windows. I'm using Windows 11. If you are even using any Windows, you still select Windows. So I'm using Windows 11. Oh, what is this problem? Okay. So I'll download I'm using internet download manager. If you are not using it, click download. It will automatically download it wherever your download folder is. My own, I'm using internet download manager. It will automatically download it. Just click download. After you download, you open it, so you install it. Because the steps we are going to take is what we said after downloading and installing. Now we have downloaded it. Now the installation process is what we are waiting for. So the installation process might take time, so I'm going to just pause the video. So it's a normal installation